Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial. Before I proceed to the tutorial, the guitar tutorial, I just want to mention a few people who requested this song. I dedicate this song para sa inyo guys, to Amarin Dizon, to Leanne Albay, DJ Chads, to James Brian Adamios, Lovely Maniulit, John's Channel, Loving Candice, Raven Rose, May Ruth Bautista, to Cosette, Elostrissimo, to Aquas Quais, GT, Unica Iha, Alyssa, Anape, Christian. So, if meron ako mga hindi pa na-mention, I'm sure na meron pa. I'll make sure na lahat ng names na nag-request will be included here in the video because this video is dedicated for you. Gusto ko lang humingi ng sorry, pasensya na kung medyo, hindi medyo, kung sobrang tagal bago ko nagawa yung video tutorial na to. It's just, I was busy then and ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time. But the good thing is, I'm back for good. So, I'm ready na to make more videos for you guys na para makatulong sa inyo. Para matuto kayo. Ayun. So, I hope na kahit medyo matagal, you'll find this video helpful pa rin. Kasi ayun, ito, I will do my best para sana madalian kayo with the chords and with the plucking and the strumming. Yun, so, yun lang. Thank you. Thank you for watching and God bless sa inyong lahat. Okay, so, syempre, again, ang capo natin, since this is Isabel Cuevas version, capo will be on the 5th fret. Yes. But originally, if you want to play it like yung key nung nandun sa McDonald's, if I'm not mistaken, it's on the 3rd fret. I'll just make sure na lang, titingnan ko doon sa description box ko. And I'll include somewhere dito. Kung saan man. Okay, so let's proceed. Again, recall lang din, ang chords natin, we have G, we have C9, we have B minor over D, we have F sharp minor 7, we have E minor 7, we have A minor, and we have D. So, those are 8, tama ba? Chords. Yes. And let's begin. So, for the introduction, Isabel Cuevas version tayo, guys. Again, G. Ang magiging chords natin for the intro is dalawa lang naman. G, G, and C. Right. So, ang gagamitin natin G is, so kung naka-G tayo, tanggalin natin yung 1st and yung 4th finger. Yan. So, ito lang ang gagamitin natin. Just this two. For the intro and for the first stanza. So, ayan. And then, so, magiging chords natin, for the intro is this one. G, like that. And, ordinary na C. Okay. So, now, plucking pattern tayo, guys. For the plucking pattern, ang papatunogin lang natin na string will be 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. Right? 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. So, it should be like this. 3, 4, 3, 2. Di ba dalawa yung 2? Dalawang second string. Sa ikalawa, i-open string mo yung second string. So, ang gagawin mo, iangat mo yung kamay mo, the 3rd finger. Okay? So, it will be 3, 4, 3, 2, and then angat, open string, and then C. Plucking pattern doon is 2, 3, 4, 1. I mean, ano ba sinabi ko? 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. And then, sabay mong paparingin yung 5th, 1st, and 2nd string. Sustain. So, sa sustain, of course, 2-1-2-1 na lang yun. So, ulitin natin na. First sa G, 3-4. 3-4-3-2. Open string. C. 2-3-2-1. Sabay sila. And then, sustain. 2-1-2-1-2-1. Okay guys, ulit-ulitin nyo na lang para makuha nyo. Okay? So, yun na yung intro natin. Congratulations kung nakuha nyo na. Ang next na natin is a stanza. Okay, so for the stanza, first stanza, ang chords natin will be G. Yun ulit G na kagaya nung sa intro natin yung gagamitin natin. And E minor 7. Pero ang gagamitin lang natin is, tatanggalin lang natin yung second string natin. So, open string lang yung ating sixth string. Okay. So, ang plucking pattern on the G is same pa din. 3-4-3-2. So, yun ang gagamitin mo. 3-4-3-2. 2 times yun eh. And then, open the string. 3-4-3-2. Yun ang intro. I mean, stanza na to eh. So, doon lang may changes. Ang mangyayari sa huli, ito kasi siya eh. So, wari ko'y lumipas na ang kadiliman ng araw. Dahan-dahan pang gumigising at ngayon dun sa babawi na. Ang mangyayari, this sixth string, second and third, babawi na, babawi, sabay-sabay sila, babawi na. So, mag-F sharp minor over D ka. Ito yung chords niya. First finger on the second fret, sixth string, and then second finger on the third string, and then of course, sa third fret naman yung third finger natin dun sa second string. So, ito siya. So, at ngayon, at ngayon, babawi na. Okay, ulitin natin simula sa intro. Kaya ba? Try natin, okay? So, wari ko'y lumipas na kadiliman ng araw. Dahan-dahan pang gumigising at ngayon, yan na, babawi na, muntik na, and then refrain. So, for the refrain, E minor, itong chords natin. For the E minor, yan. First string, first finger on the fifth string, and then, ito naman, dito lang siya. Yung third finger natin, nandito lang naman siya lagi sa second string, third fret, diba? And then, picking pattern niya, same pa din. 3-4-3-2. Ay, muntik nang nasanay ako. And then, ang D, 2-3-2-1. 2-3-2-1. 2-3-2-1. And then, sa G, from G, sabay, picking pattern will be, sabay-sabay yan eh. The sixth string, second, and third string. Sabay-sabay ha, yung tatlo ha. You make a sound. Then G natin. Paano ba yung G natin kanina? Like this. Sa aking pag-iisip So, yung G natin, pwedeng, kung ano yung feel nyo, pwede naman siyang yung original na G para hindi na kayo malito. Sa aking pag-ibig. Pero F sharp minor over D will be like this. Yung pa din yung kanina. Nadagdag lang is, meron tayo sa pinky. Meron tayong fourth finger natin, andun siya sa first string. Again. Pero, ang ipipick nyo, ang papatunugin nyo lang naman din is the 6th, 2nd, and 3rd string. Sa aking pag-iisa. Same pa din, sa E, pagka ganun mo. E natin, diba? 3, 4, 3, 2. 3, 4, 3, 2. Sa huli pa rin, ganun pa din. And then, C9. Kaya na 2, 3, 2, 1. Kahapon ko so yun lang din naman. Fourth string, first and second, papatunugin nyo, may sustain yan eh. And then chorus na yun. So yun. So, tapos na tayo sa first stanza and refrain. Ang kasunod nun is chorus na. Pwede kayo mag-stop and then tugtugin nyo muna from intro to refrain. And then after nun, saka nyo isunod itong chorus. So, chorus is G, F sharp, minor over D, E minor 7, over D, A minor. So, ang papatunugin lang natin doon for chorus is again, the 6th string, 2nd, and 3rd, nang sabay-sabay. Pero mauuna yung bass. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, bago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. So, yun lang yung mga bababago. So, for the chorus, yun lang din. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, bago man ang hugis ng puso mo. So, lahat yan, yun ang tas next na yun, next stanza na yun. So, ito na yun. Of course, yung bass niya and then second and first, yun ay sustain muna. Okay? So, sustain. Sustain. Yun lang, basta ang i-reading nyo ha. Fourth, first, and second. Dire-diretso lang. Sustain muna. And then, angat. Tanggal lang. Second finger. Sabay balik. And then, second stanza. Strumming. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Down, up, down, up, up, down. Yun lang yung strumming niya. So, chords, kung kanina dun sa first stanza natin, dahil naka-plucking tayo, ito, and ito lang yung chords natin, right? Ngayon, ang chords natin will be original na, the G and E minor 7. So, minsan sharp minor dun sa ito, malilimutan ito. E minor, ay, E minor 7. Kahit na maulit-ulit ang naiwan nating pag-ibig. Doon lang naman magbabago yun kasi ang ating strumming is always down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Pero pagdating sa, medyo pinapawisan ako, sorry. Kailangan ko kasing patayin yung electric fan para hindi siya maingay. Ang mababago lang yung stanza natin is on the, I mean yung strumming natin is on the refrain. Ay, parang ganun pa rin naman, diba? Ang naiwan nating pag-ibig, dahil na natututo pa, katotohanan nito, tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, mabago man ang hugis ng puso mo, handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. Same pattern na doon sa refrain. Maulit muli ang naiwan nating pag-ibig, kahit na tututo kang harapin katotohanan nito, tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, bago man ang hugis ng puso mo, handa akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. So, yun na yun guys. I hope that you find this video helpful. Practice lang ng practice kasi practice makes perfect. Ayun, if you have questions or ano ba, kung helpful ba yung video, just let me know your comments about this video and I'll try to, of course, alam niyo naman, we always have room for improvement, guys. Ayun, so I hope that this video is helpful. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko talagang makatulong lang. I hope it did somehow. So thank you very much for watching this video. And again, God bless everyone and bye.